Hi DIYers, this is Michael from AlarmGrid, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up multi-system access in Alarm.com using the mobile app. So you've actually been able to do this from the website for a while, but they recently added the feature to the Alarm.com mobile app. So multiple system access, multi-system access. So when you go into Alarm.com, you have your Alarm.com username, your account, you log into your account, and you control your security system. It's pretty simple. Now, if you only have one security system, most users do. They just have a home, and it's very simple. They're just controlling their one security system. But if you're a multiple property owner, maybe you have a summer home, a vacation home, maybe you're a business owner, you have some rental properties, and for whatever reason, you have multiple systems that you control, and they're all under Alarm.com. They're all covered by Alarm.com for their interactive platform. And you want to be able to go into Alarm.com and link a system so that way you just have the one password and you can switch between different systems and control them all from the same place. Well, it turns out that it's possible, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. We've done a few FAQs on this before. We've covered this content fairly extensively, so there's some good stuff to read about as well if you're more into that. But we have the video here today. And like I said, it's been possible to do from the website, from a web browser, a compatible web browser, for a while, but the mobile app, it's new. Well, the Alarm.com mobile app's not new, but the ability to do this, we just figured out that we could do it from that place as well. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the Alarm.com mobile app right now. We already have an account paired, so I'm going to show you what it looks like with an account paired, and then I'm going to show you how you would go about adding an account. Do keep in mind there will be some sensitive information, so we will be censoring email addresses and passwords and such, so don't expect to get any way into an account. But we are going to show you what the process looks like, and hopefully that will help you set it up when you go to do this. So let's get into Alarm.com and show you what it looks like. So you can see that we're at the main screen of the Alarm.com mobile app. We're already logged in. We've already done our username and password. And you can see at the top here, it says Video IQ 2 Plus. So this is actually the account for our video room Qolsys IQ Panel 2 Plus security system. And what I can do is I can click on it, and it actually gives me another option, AlarmGrid system. And that's actually another system we enrolled. It actually happens to be the Simon XT security system, the push-button wireless system behind me here. So we have it set up, on both accounts. So I can control the Simon system and I can control the IQ2 by selecting them. So I can switch between the two, just going like that. So let's go to the IQ2 one now. And see, we're back at the IQ2 one. So that's how I can switch between systems once I've already added a system. But as far as adding a new system goes, let's show you how to do that. So we're at the main screen of the Alarm.com mobile app, and make sure that you're using the account that you want to have for the multiple system access. So this is the account that I'm logged in right now is the one that I'm going to be using to access all three of these systems, because I'm going to be adding a new system right now. So make sure you're on the right account. You want to be logged in to the one that you want to use for multiple system access, and then you're going to be adding other accounts. You're going to be linking other accounts to it. So we're going to click the small gray bar in the top left, the menu icon, the hamburger button, if you will. And then we're going to choose login information down here towards the bottom. And we're going to wait for that to pull up here. Just waiting for it to load. And then we're going to choose linked systems here. You see that it did display some email and some username information there. We likely cover that up. But anyway, when you get to the linked system page, it tells you about the feature right here. Did you know that you can link another system to this account? Just tap add and enter the login credentials for the other system, and you'll be able to use that same login and password for both systems. And you see we have our information for AlarmGrid. We're the alarm dealer here. So what we can do, we can set a default system if we wanted to change it. Right now we have our video room IQ2 as the default system, but I could choose another system. I could choose the Alarm Grid system one if I wanted to have that one. I can go down here and I can search for systems, that could be important if maybe I own many properties. I own many businesses, many business locations, and there's multiple locations I'm managing, and having to navigate through them all could be a bit of a challenge. So it's good to have that option as well to be able to search through them. But if I click the Add button, what I can do is I can link a new system to this Alarm.com account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the information here, and it's actually my email address. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to do the password here, which will likely be hiding this. Okay, so we have the password entered now. So now I'm going to choose Next in the top right corner. And we're confirming that we want to link a system to this account, this test 17728 account. And the system we're actually linking today is the GC2. We have a 2 gig GC2 system that's activated for monitoring, and we're going to go and link it. So what we want to do is we want to press the Confirm button in the upper right corner. And then it says that this system is successfully added. So what we're going to do, we're going to close the app, and we're going to go back into it, and we're going to see if the new GC2 system has been added to the account. So let's log out of Alarm.com. And now we're back at the screen. So I'm going to log into Alarm.com now. So we're going to probably hide this part. Let's go ahead and get into Alarm.com. Okay, so we're back into Alarm.com, and you see we're at our default system, the Video IQ2. And now if I click the button, I have the GC2 added as well, in addition to the Alarm Grid system that we had linked before. So we had to, just reload the Alarm.com app, log out, log back in, and now we can control the GC2. So we have all our accounts linked. So that's how you can go and link accounts for multi-system access in Alarm.com. So that is how you set up an Alarm.com account for multi-system access using the Alarm.com mobile app. If you have any questions about Alarm.com or about alarm monitoring services, send an email to support@alarmgrid.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up below to like the video, and remember to subscribe to our channel for updates on future videos. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.